I love math, the way the path goes on the graph, power functions. Cause great discussion in the math class. Shall put no textbook before the math class. Functions real right.
Hey Integrated Math 3 students, 10 things that require 0 talent. Let's take a look at this list. Imagine if you were working on all of these, what type of person would you be? I would love to have a student or a worker or a co-worker or a boss who has all of these things. And I hope that is you. Here's a grid view to navigate all the slides, and it's that time.
It's time for game plans.
Week 6 of the second semester, February 7th to February 11th, 2022. We are on our last lesson of Module 2, Polynomial and Polynomial Functions. We got the power binomials. Students will be able to expand powers of binomials by using Pascal's triangle and the binomial theorem in their packet. Sense of urgency as of Monday, day 109. We are almost 61% done of the school year. There's only less than 40% left, guys. We're almost like done. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Someone did it. They really wanted that bonus. We have met 500 subscribers, so I need to input your quiz scores, and then I'm going to add a rule to drop your lowest quiz score because we met 500 subscribers. Hey, reach the next one, we can drop your lowest test score. Remember, for grades, eCadence is the way to get and turn in your work. It is the unofficial grade. The official grade is in Aries. I do try to put comments into eCadence, and it should go into Aries. If it doesn't, you can look in eCadence. Remember, just because you turn in a late assignment doesn't mean I grade it. You're going to have to go through late work. Thrively, they have fixed it, so you only need a total of 40 points. And if I communicated mistakenly about, you needed like 370 and you reached that, I'm gonna give you a bonus. I'll probably let you turn in a late work assignment for free. How do you increase your Thrively score? Just adjust your profile, take surveys, things like that. Khan Academy, you need 2 hours, a total of 2 hours, a total of 120 learning minutes. This is the directions how to see it updated. Conferences, discussions, and reflections. Yesterday I went to a training and I was reminded that my discussions, it's better if I can leave it open. So normally I gave you guys 24 hours. We did a discussion. You comment on 2 classmates, but I need to give you guys some more time to do that. So we're going to do that. Now, although this is my official office hours, you can just submit it and I'll reach out to you and say, hey, let's connect. Dun, 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 dun. Academic intervention says if you miss 2 classes or you're scoring below 60%, I got to reach out to your parents. You don't like it, I don't like it, so don't do it. Cool news, important dates. Yesterday there was no class, February 7th, because I was at the CVA office. We had a professional development day. I want to highlight to you guys that there is no school on February 14th and the 21st to observe Lincoln's birthday and President's birthdays. I already submitted quarter 3 progress reports. And hey, did you know, this was from the training yesterday, did you know that Monday plus Tuesday plus Wednesday plus Thursday plus Friday equals 5 days? And you're supposed to do 1 hour of work for each class, so that's 5 hours of math work a week. Now you might say like, hey Mr. Ng, that's a lot of work. Well, think about it. If you're not going to in-person school, periods 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and each of those periods are almost an hour a day, you would get 6 hours worth of work. And so in some ways you're being the same. You're just putting in the same amount of time, but you don't have to get dressed and travel and hear the passing bell. All right, week number 6, our central question is we're going to talk about not really the binomial theorem, but faster ways just using Pascal's triangle. All right, I gave you guys the schedule last week. So Monday, 2/7, no class. Now you guys have Pascal's triangle. You have an introduction. So if you go ahead and click on this. So you're going to watch video number 1 and fill in the blanks. You can go ahead and click on that. brings you to a YouTube video that I've recorded. And it's asking this question, is x plus 2 squared equal or the same thing as x squared plus 4? You try it out. I'll give you the definition of binomials theorem. You're going to fill out this Pascal's triangle. And I would definitely save that as a reference. And then it tells you for questions 1 to 6, complete 3, so skip 3 questions. Feel free to do more questions. Maybe like you need more practice and you don't get it, right? For the yellow, 2.52. Module 2, lesson 5, example number 2. For questions 7 to 12, same thing. So if you're not going to do it, you can cross it off here. Some students use it for extra space. And this table of contents part you don't need. So you're doing red, orange, yellow. I just showed you. Friday, I want you guys to complete this post test. And this was the very first assignment of the module, so they're called pre-test, post-test. And basically you're going to take the same Google form quiz, which is not graded, but just to see if your skills grew. And then you have this analysis part. So if you click on it, so now you're going to fill out this after part. Right, it says complete what you will learn. How much do you already know about the topic after finishing the module, which I just showed you, and then complete this post test. So click on it. It's the same test you've taken already. If you need to, you can work out your questions below and write down your score. And then of the 3 questions, find the 3 questions that you missed, put them there, watch the video solutions, and list the mistakes you made and explain your misunderstanding. My misconception or misunderstanding about the problem was, oh, I forgot to realize that I can write 2 binomials if it has a power of 2 or something like that. Okay, let's look ahead. Next week, we already talked about no school for Lincoln's birthday. Tuesday, February 15th, there's not going to be class for period 2A, CVA period 2A. I'll be absent that day. So I'm going to release the Week at a Glance 7 video. And you have a Module 2 review. You can go ahead and click. Actually, I want to go through this. You have a menu of choices. You must complete 1 of the choices, and you can complete up to 2 more for extra credit. So let's look at our choices here. Okay, if you haven't already learned how to complete quiz corrections, go ahead and watch that video. And this is the destination or place where it's organized, if that makes sense. Okay, so you have these 3 choices. Choice number 1 is to complete this practice test. It's about 15 questions. Kind of long. Maybe I'll tell you to complete 8. Complete 8 questions. So you don't have to complete all of them, just complete 8. And I'll count as I look at yours. You take it, do it, and then watch the quiz corrections with the video solutions. Okay, so I'm going to release the video solutions on this day. And I'll tell you why it's going to be special. Choice number 2, you're going to complete quiz number 5 that we took on January 25th, corrections. So I just released the video. You can go to your Edulastic and print your results or the PDF file or take out the paper you used. And then again, you come up here, go to the destination, click on that video. It'll show you the video solutions for that quiz. And you're writing the word correct for every problem, or if you got it wrong, you write why you got it wrong and do the whole problem correctly. Okay. Choice number 3, it's not mandatory. You're going to go up to choice number 1 here. You're going to go up to this practice test, and you're going to pick one of the questions. There's like 17 questions, and you're going to email me to see it's okay if you can record it. You know, like say you want to record question number 2. I just want to make sure students keep signing up for the same question. You're going to record one of the questions in choice number 1 in this practice test, say question number 2, and then you're going to email me the recording by February 14th, Monday, 3 p.m. So you guys have no school that day. You email it to me, and then I'm going to record the video solution. So if I have enough students, the really cool thing is you're going to have students for the solutions for the practice test, not Mr. Ng, because you guys hear me plenty of times. And if there's questions missing, then I'll have it all done for you guys on the 15th. Okay, so that's how you're going to review for the Module 2. Wednesday, I'm giving you guys a work day. So finish up the Module 2 review, and then you're going to take your Module 2 test on Thursday, and then I'll probably put Module 3 introduction on Friday. Red light, yellow light, green light. Red light, when I change it, means that it's past the due date and I've already graded it. Yellow means it's past the due date, but I have not graded it, so hurry and submit it. Green light means that's what you're working on right now, that's what you're assigned, and try to do it before the green light. Something really practical, a student who's been in my class would say, oh, my goal this year is just to do things when it's green. That's a great idea. Now, if you ever need to submit it when it's red, you just click on this and I'll tell you the directions. Okay, so I need to grade the yellow one. This green one is going to be due on, not this, I changed it, not the 16th, but the 17th, Thursday. And I need to add the links here for 2.5 and the Module 2 review and the post-test. So I need to add a couple more things there. Okay, guys? Stay strong. Hey, you might just need to work on these things over math, and I think you'll become a better version of your current self. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
Yeah, I love doing math. You love doing math. We love doing math. Let's all do math, 'cause we love doing math.